welcome back to our channel. This is Timik TV. I'm glad to have you again. If you are stopping by for the very first time, please click on the subscribe button to be part of our skincare family. Alright, today I'm going to do a very short video to tell you how you can lighten the scalp of your head. How you can lighten it if you have altered your complexion. Maybe you were dark before, but now you're so fair. You want to lighten your elbows, your knuckles, the nipples, the scalp of your head. There's just two ways to achieve that. You either use whitening supplements or you use whitening pills. Yes, to lighten your scalp, to get that pink nipples. Some of you, if you're so fair but your nipple is dark, your butt is still dark, if you're finding it difficult to lighten those areas, simple thing you can take is whitening supplements and whitening injections. Injections can be quite expensive, so if you want something a little bit more affordable, you can go for whitening pills and vitamin C. You can take something like vitamin C, MSM, glutathione. I think I have lots of videos on this channel that talk about whitening supplements and whitening injections. Okay, go for any of them. And remember, you can always get your product from us. If you need whitening supplements, you need whitening injections, chat me up via the number on the screen, or send a message to Timik Skin Glow on Facebook or Instagram. You'll get a response. Whitening soap, your whitening cream, your whitening scrub will not lighten the scalp of your head. There's no way you use scrub and your body lotion on your head just because you want to lighten your scalp. Your butt may be a little bit stubborn to lighten. What can help you is supplement or your whitening injections. You don't want to be fair and you have dark nipples. You want it to be pink, okay? So please go for whitening supplement, whitening injection. If you need more inquiry on what to do, what supplement will be best for you, you can send me a message to my personal Instagram page, Elijah Emomotimi Rachel. If you have personal questions, you don't want to share it in the comment section, send me a DM on my Instagram page, Elijah Emomotimi Rachel. Don't send your questions to Timik Skin Glow. So I believe you've learned something new today. The only way to lighten your scalp, your butt, your ears, you want it to be so fair and clean, uniform skin tone. You want to have that pink nipple. It's by taking whitening supplements with a vitamin C, or you take whitening injections. Alright, I'm expecting your mails, I'm expecting your messages. See you in my next video. Bye.